Arthritis is the swelling and tenderness of one or more joints. The main symptoms of arthritis are joint pain and stiffness, which typically worsen with age. The most common types of arthritis are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Some other types of arthritis are gout, lupus, juvenile arthritis, fibromyalgia, psoriatic arthritis and ankylosing spondylitis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune condition caused by the immune system attacking the healthy body tissue. It mainly attacks the joints, usually many joints at once. It commonly affects joints in the hands, wrists and knees. As RA progresses, the body changes. Some changes you can see and feel, while others you cannot. Each stage of RA comes with different treatment goals. Stage 1 is early stage RA. Many people feel joint pain, stiffness, or swelling. During stage 1, there's inflammation inside the joint. Stage 2 is moderate stage RA. In this stage, the synovium's inflammation causes damage to the joint cartilage. Cartilage is tissue that covers the end of bones at the site of joints. When cartilage is damaged, people may experience pain and loss of mobility. Range of motion in the joints may become limited. At this point, damage extends not only to the cartilage but also to the bones themselves. Since the cushion between bones is worn away, they'll rub together. There may be more pain and swelling. Some people may experience muscle weakness and more mobility loss. The bone can be damaged, also known by erosion, and some deformity may occur. At stage 4, there's no longer inflammation in the joint. This is end-stage RA, when joints no longer work. People may still experience pain, swelling, stiffness, and mobility loss with reduced muscle strength. The joints may become destroyed, and the bones become fused together, ankylosis. Signs and symptoms: pain or achiness in more than one joints, swelling in more than one joint, a general feeling of being unwell, appetite loss, weight loss, joint deformity, unsteadiness when walking, stiffness in more than one joint. Rheumatoid arthritis can be caused due to genetics, also known as heredity, hormones, advancing age, working in an occupation involving repetitive stress, defective joints or cartilage during birth. Gout is a painful form of arthritis. Gout causes pain and swelling in one or more joints. It typically affects the big toe. Gout is a kind of arthritis caused by a buildup of uric acid crystals in the joints. Uric acid is a breakdown product of purines that are part of many foods we eat. It can cause attacks of painful arthritis, kidney stones, and blockage of the kidney filtering tubules with uric acid crystals, leading to kidney failure. The signs and symptoms of gout are intense pain, redness, stiffness, swelling, tenderness even to light touch such as a bedsheet. Gout can be caused due to obesity or a lot of extra weight, congestive heart failure, diabetes, family history of gout, hypertension or high blood pressure, kidney disease. Osteoarthritis, also known as degenerative joint disease, DJD, is the most common type of arthritis. Osteoporosis is a health condition that weakens bones, making them fragile and more likely to break. It develops slowly over several years and is often only diagnosed when a fall or sudden impact causes a bone to break or fracture. The signs and symptoms of osteoarthritis are joint pain, stiffness in the joint, loss of flexibility and reduced range of motion, tenderness or discomfort when pressing on the affected areas, inflammation, crepitus, or grating, crackling or popping sounds when you move your joints, bone spurs, or extra lumps of bone, which are typically painless. Osteoarthritis can be caused due to torn cartilage, dislocated joints, ligament injuries, joint malformation, obesity, poor posture. Rhumosef capsule is composed of Commiphora mucul or guggul, Tinospora cordifolia or Guduchi, Shilajeet paste, Withania somnifera or Ashwogandha, Sida cordifolia or Bala, Curcuma longa or Haridra and other ingredients. Rhumosef oil is composed of Commiphora mucul or guggul, Cinnamomum camphora or Kapur, Placia lanceolate or Tana, Allium sativum or Rishan, Ricinus communis or Aranda, Petaria fetida or Gondoprasarni and other ingredients. According to Ayurveda, Rhumosef capsule and oil is a natural cure medicine which contains important herbs such as Guduchi, Shilajeet, Bala, Ajamoda, Sunthi, Devdaru, Rasna, Yograj Gugulu, Praval Pisti, Godanti Bhasma etc. which exhibits anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor, anti-stress, antioxidant, immunomodulatory, hematopoietic and rejuvenating properties that balance the Vata doshas, with no risk of side effects, and works directly on the causes of ailments to eliminate them from your body. It helps in the repair and regeneration of defective cells as well as removes the accumulation of ama take place in joint and relieves symptoms of arthritis. Rhumosef capsule is take 1 to 2 capsules thrice a day or as directed by the physician. Whereas, Rhumosef oil is applied 5 to 10 ml gently on the affected area thrice a day or as directed by the physician. In order for the medicines to work effectively, patients should be cautious about avoid eating fatty foods, cheese, processed foods, high-fat milk and yogurt. Side effect is not reported, but if large doses intake might cause stomach upset, diarrhea, and vomiting, drowsiness and sedation. Rhumosef capsule and oil does not contain any ingredients that can harm infertility, pregnancy and lactation, but it should be taken according to the suggestion of physician. The medicines should not be taken more than the prescribed dose. Taking more medication will not improve your symptoms, rather they may cause poisoning or serious side effects. The medicines should be stored in a dry and cool place, away from direct heat and sunlight.